Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our EXO Marshmallow box. This should be, I think, the February box, and it will be my last box. For now, I went ahead and canceled the subscription. It is $29.95 a month and I'm just not sure the value is there for me anymore. So let's get into it and check it out. Don't get me wrong, the marshmallows are fantastic. I thoroughly enjoy the marshmallows, and I'm sure a lot of people are happy to see other products coming with the marshmallows in addition to the bonus. I did it for the marshmallows though. And since we have been doing it for a while, I thought, you know what? We need something different on the channel. I said after the first of the year, I was gonna do a lot of new things this year, and I have yet to do something fun and new. So I should do a poll. I should put pick two things that I can't decide between and put a poll up on Insta. I'll go ahead and do that. I can't. It's having a hard time cutting into this. We'll put a poll up on Insta. I will pick two things, go over and vote, and we will decide what the next box we're gonna do is. First snacky type box. I should do that with a bunch of boxes. That sounds fun, right? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, I have, ooh, something big. Our marshmallows, our treat. Nope, that's the other marshmallow thing. See, not marshmallows. And our paperwork. This is a good amount of bubble wrap. And you know what? I don't know where this is gonna fall, the cycle of when I put videos up, but I'm doing a City Beauty giveaway and that will be perfect. I will put a link down below in case something about this appeals to you. I totally get it. I've done it for probably a little over a year and have thoroughly enjoyed it. I just feel kind of like I did it because every month we got two marshmallows. We got the marshmallow of the month and another marshmallow. And lately they have gone away and started giving us our second item as something very different. And that's just not why I did it. So I think I'm going to take a break. Some time might go by and I might be like, I miss the marshmallows. But for now, that's what we're going to do. So this is February because look, it's a Care Bear on a heart. So cute. I have to catch my breath. Just ran downstairs for my glasses. Also, got a couple spoons. I'm going to try and talk the hubs into coming up here and giving this stuff a try. Okay, February. February's Marshmallow of the Month Club. February's Mallow is back by popular demand. It's iconic. It's childish. It's a pop of good fun. Bubblegum is the flavor that immediately makes us think of pink balloons, summer camp, and giggling with our girlfriends. Paired with a classic is the OMG, which means ooey marshmallow goodness, limited edition specialty flavor, red velvet cake. We'll see. I ride the fence about whether I like red velvet cake. It's okay. It's chocolate cake that they've just put red food coloring in, and sometimes, because they also add vinegar, it makes me feel like, you know what I mean? If it doesn't make you feel like that, you're probably like, what is she talking about? But anyway, so this delicious cream cheese fluff. So it's cream cheese flavored. Oh, because red velvet cake. Okay, he's not gonna like that. Shh. We're not gonna tell him that part when he gets here. We're just gonna tell him the red velvet cake part because he's not a huge fan of cream cheese flavoring. It says it has chocolate and gluten-free red velvet cake pieces in it for a pint that will have you falling in love in no time. And shocked that it's gluten and dairy free. That does make it a really cool treat. I have gluten and dairy-free people in my life. That is so cool. And before we eat those, we have our bonus. Each month, in addition to the marshmallow stuff that you get, you will get a bonus. And we've had everything in the past. We got those cute little pans at Christmas. They're so cute. I never use them, but I'm hesitant to admit that because I was so excited about them. We got a really cute s'mores blanket that I've set aside for the girls. All kinds of fun stuff. This time we got tea, and it says it's from Pinky Up Dessert Tea Sampler. Red velvet cake, honey lavender, raspberry truffle, coconut cream, and Earl Grey macaron. I mean, that sounds delicious. Are they all? It looks like, other than the Earl Grey, they are all different, so they're not all caffeinated. The red velvet is a mate, a yerba mate. The coconut cream is a white tea. The honey lavender is a rooibos, my personal favorite. The raspberry truffle is a yerba mate, and the Earl Grey macaron is a black tea. Okay, let's get in here and see what they look like on the inside. My husband actually loves tea, and in the morning when I have coffee, quite often he has tea, but I don't know how he feels about the yerba mates. I like them though, and I will drink them in the evening. Once I give up the caffeine in the evenings, I love tea. That is cute. So is it loose tea? That's okay, because we have plenty of ways to deal with loose teas around here. It is though. For every 8-ounce cup, pour a pouch of tea in the infuser, steep in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes, remove the infuser, and enjoy. I was just kind of checking out with new teas. I always check out the back because you never know. Licorice is something they like to drop in there for a little extra flavor. But so far, no licorice. That is super cute. This is the last couple of months, because December also, the last couple of months, we have had really, really good bonus items. Let's go ahead and give these things a taste. I'll call my husband and see if I can get him to leave his work computer and come up and play with us for a minute. I told you already what the flavor was, right? We had this. It's actually, this is what it looks like when you get it out. It's the bubble gum. We had this. It smells good, right? It smells just, the minute I cut it, it just smelled exactly like bubble gum. We had this in our advent calendar. If we haven't had it otherwise, we might have gotten it already like this too, but we at least had it in our advent calendar.
Very good. Tastes like bubblegum.
It does. Tastes like bubblegum. I mean, exactly like bubblegum. I mean, exactly. Like, it's almost like I have to force myself to swallow it. Because it's like, my brain is like, no, 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 no. This isn't what we do with bubblegum. That is good. The babies would love that.
I agree.
The babies. They were 3 to 15. We call them the babies. Ooh.
What is this?
Red velvet cake. Want to smell it? Would you like to smell it? No? You're going to just take it?
Yep.
All right. It said that it had red velvet cake pieces and chocolate in it. I just got here. Look at the, I mean, I don't know if I can show you guys this. That is what it looks like. There's a huge chunk under there. How's it taste? I can tell you what it smells like before I even put it in my mouth. It's a cream cheese frosting base, right?
Yeah. Doesn't taste bad at all. I mean, it's not my cup of tea, but
you could stir it into your tea.
Yeah, but
I don't get cream cheese out of this at all.
No, I don't either.
No,
I don't get the
it's
tang.
just marshmallow.
No. Maybe at the very end I get a little tang, but not much.
From the red velvet or the cream cheese, though?
I don't know.
Because red velvet has vinegar in it.
Mm-hmm.
The red velvet cake, in an attempt to not have it get gloopy. He's pointing at my lips. I must have it all over. See, guys, I'm eating it. In order for it to not get gloopy, I would say they dried it on like a drying rack first or something, because it was almost crunchy.
Agreed.
Yeah, it was almost like, I mean, it wasn't crouton crunchy, but it felt like crouton crunchy in there because it's also goopy. So, yeah, that's what that looks like. Can I get you to take this down with you?
I will.
So what did you think?
Like I said, it was, I mean, it was good. I mean, it's not my...
You wouldn't buy this.
I wouldn't buy it myself, but not because it doesn't taste like what it's supposed to taste like, just
right.
because it's not
your
preferred
favorite
flavor.
Right. And you liked these.
I like those. Those are good.
Would you like to take them downstairs? Okay, go ahead. Thank you. Okay, we did it right here in the room. That was handy. Now I don't have to set up my camera. This is better. This is fine. Now that he's gone, we can talk about it. It totally didn't taste like cream cheese. I felt like I could smell it when I opened it, but it just tasted like marshmallow fluff with crunchy cake bits in it. You would know, I think you would know it was cake. I don't think you could tell it was red velvet cake, and it had the little chocolate pieces in it. This says, just for the record, it is 12 servings. 1 serving is 2 tablespoons, so I probably had half a serving. 2 tablespoons is only 45 calories. You had like a, I don't know, sugar-free hot cocoa, for example, just sitting down there with not many calories in it. You could put a big old plop of this on top and it would make it really creamy and nice and not for many calories. This is the last one of these that we're gonna have for a while. I will come up with 2 alternatives to it, put it over on Insta as a poll, and we'll go forward with picking something new for either March or April. I don't know that I can do it now, the time to get a March box. So, okay, thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Go get yourself something sweet.